All are fine. I hope you all are fine, and I hope same for your family members also. Yes. So as you all know, we are doing chapter 5th, coal and petroleum. Okay. You know, these are known as fossil fuels. इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Fossil fuels. Yes. और fossil fuels क्या है? Which are formed from the dead vegetation. जो किससे बनते हैं? We can say they are formed from dead vegetation. Okay. In the previous videos, in the previous days, previous periods, we have learnt about that what are the bases of origin we call the resources. कि हम ओरिजिन के बेस पे रिसोर्सेज को कितनी कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ओरिजिन वी यूज टू से दैट रिसोर्सेज आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. ओरिजिन के बेस पे टू टाइप्स हैं. दीज टू टाइप्स आर बायोटिक एंड एबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. बायोटिक है और एबायोटिक रिसोर्सेज है. यस, एम आई राइट? ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अवेलेबिलिटी. अवेलेबिलिटी के बेस पे रिसोर्सेज के टाइप्स कितने हैं? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अवेलेबिलिटी ऑल्सो देर आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. यस, दैट इज इनएग्जॉस्टिबल और एग्जॉस्टिबल. Inexhaustible or exhaustible. These are the two types of resources we divide on the basis of the availability of resources. Yes. What activity we have done in the previous periods? कि हमने कुछ containers लिए. We have taken some containers. Okay. And in those containers we put some eatables. किसी में peanuts, किसी में हमने कुछ डाल दिया, किसी में हमने कुछ डाल दिया, किसी में कुछ डाल दिया. ओके. एंड इन दिस वे वी विल डिवाइड द ग्रुप ऑफ 7. हमने 7 ग्रुप्स बना दिए. ओके. वी फॉर्म 7 ग्रुप्स. क्लियर? और उसके बाद भी हमने 7 ग्रुप्स को डिवाइड किया, जिसमें हमने किसी में स्टूडेंट्स भी डिवाइड कर दिए. किसी में 2 होंगे, किसी में 4 होंगे. ओके. एंड दीज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे विल रिप्रेजेंट द जनरेशंस. ओके. कि ये हमारी ये जनरेशन है, ये हमारी ये जनरेशन है, ये हमारी ये जनरेशन है. दीज विल रिप्रेजेंट एट आवर जनरेशंस. ओके. सो जनरेशंस के बेस पे हमने क्या देखा कि जो हमारी जनरेशन थी फर्स्ट, दे विल गेट मोर ईटेबल्स. ओके. हमारी फर्स्ट जनरेशन जो है दे विल गेट मोर ईटेबल्स. जो सेकंड है क्या उसको भी उतना ही मिला जितना हमारी फर्स्ट को मिला? और जो हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है, सेकंड से भी नेक्स्ट, क्या उनको भी उतना ही मिला जितना जनरेशन मींस सेकंड और फर्स्ट ने यूज किया था? आई वांट टू से कि जो रिसोर्सेज का यूज है दैट इज डन इन द सेम वे बाय एवरी जनरेशन. क्या हर एक जनरेशन उसको सेम वे में यूज कर रही है? लाइक जो हमारी प्रीवियस जनरेशन थी, they use the resources. Okay. And next generation they use the resources, but I think they will use the resource less than the first generation. और जो next generation आएगी वो तो कम ही यूज कर पाएंगे. Yes. So it depend करता है कि हम resources को यूज कैसे करते हैं. Yes. अगर हमने यूज किया इस तरह से कि जो हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन भी आएगी वो भी उसको यूज कर सके, means we should use the things wisely. It depends on us how we are using the resources. If we have to enjoy only with the resources, then why we think about next generations? And if we will think that if we will destroy everything, what our next generation will face? We should think this, then we should work on the resources. Okay, it was this activity. Clear? अब उसके बाद था fossil fuels. What are the fossil fuels which are formed from the dead vegetations? जो डेड वेजिटेशन से बनते हैं. Yes? Okay. So the question is how fossil fuels are formed. Fossil fuels बनते कैसे हैं? Actually, it is a very slow process. It takes many more years to form. It takes many more years to form. इसके लिए रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा है. अगर क्वेश्चन मैं यहाँ पे करूँ कि why the fossil fuels cannot be prepared in the labs, because it is a very slow process. It takes very just many more years to form. Yes. And what are the conditions which are required for the formation of fossil fuels that cannot be given in the laboratory, that cannot be given in the labs? वो conditions आप lab में provide नहीं कर सकते, because high pressure, high temperature which is required there, that is can't be given in the labs. That is why fossil fuels cannot be prepared in the labs. That is why we should use wisely. Okay, so question was how fossil fuels are formed. Fossil fuels की formation कैसे हुई? There means before many more years ago, what was there? There was many dense forest. Okay, because of many activities, they goes just deep into the soil, under the ground. वो ground के under में चले गए. And as they go under the ground, their just temperature rise, pressure rise, and because of there is a lack of oxygen. There was the lack of oxygen. Oxygen की कमी के कारण due to heat, okay, due to heat, many factors act on these which were sank in the ground. Like there was the pressure, heat, bacteria. उन्होंने act किया. And in this way, what was the huge plants, जो हमारे huge trees थे, plants थे, they got converted into the coal. जो बड़े बड़े ट्रीज थे वो किस में कन्वर्ट हुए? कोल में. एंड द स्मॉल वन, ओके, स्मॉल वन दे गॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस. स्मॉल वन गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस. ओके, सो आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट व्हाट वी विल स्टार्ट इन दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज कोल. ओके, इट इज अ ब्राउन कलर. Brown also what we, but we mostly found this in the black color. Mostly किस में मिलता है? Black color में. Okay, so it is very hard. It is hard as stone. It is used as the firstly, earlier it was used in the railways by which the engine get work. It is used in the thermal power plants to produce electricity. It is used for preparing food, for cooking food. Yes. Now the question came, the requirement of energy. And as you know everyone कि without energy we cannot do anything. And nowadays so many sources are there, just work on the energy only. If they got energy, they will work. Like refrigerator is there, air conditioner is there, TV is there. Energy means when they will get power supply. Okay, we use energy for domestic use also. Okay, so इनके लिए जो हमें एनर्जी चाहिए, हमारे जो कंफर्ट लाइफ है, जो हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं, जो हमारे पास अप्लायंसेज हैं, दैट इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड, नॉन रिन्यूएबल और रिन्यूएबल. आई थिंक रिन्यूएबल इज जस्ट दे कैन डू वर्क वेरी वेल, बिकॉज रिन्यूएबल वी कैन रिप्लेनिश इजिली. Renewable energy we can replenish, yes, which we can create again. Like if we will work on the solar energy, wind energy, they will work more efficiently with them. Okay, as the name is non-renewable, we cannot work more with them, we cannot overuse them. If we will overuse them, they will just finish. We used to say कि water, कि मैम वाटर तो जस्ट यू आर सेइंग लिमिटलेस है, बट लिमिटलेस है इट डजंट मीन कि हम उसको लिमिटलेस ही यूज़ करें. वी कैन जस्ट यूज लिमिटलेसली. नो, इफ यू विल यूज लिमिटलेसली इट विल ऑल्सो बी एग्जॉस्टिबल. ओके, सो वी शुड यूज एवरीथिंग प्रॉपरली. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज स्टोरी ऑफ कोल. कोल की फॉर्मेशन कैसे हुई? सो अबाउट 300 million years ago, 300 million years ago, the earth has dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. We are talking about many more years ago, that is 300 million years ago. कब की बात है? 300 million years पहले की. What was that? Dense means just huge, you can say. Huge forest was there in low-lying wetland areas. बहुत ज़्यादा forest थी. Then what was there? Due to the natural processes, जो भी natural activities हुई, like flood, like any natural disaster, landslides, what was there because of them? Like flooding was there. These forests got buried under the soil. जो low lying में forest थे वो कहाँ पे चले गए? Under the soil. Where they gone? They are gone under the soil. Then as more soil deposited over them, as they just got buried into the soil, जैसे soil के अंदर गए, what will be there? उनके ऊपर soil की layers deposit होती गई. There will be the deposition of layers of soil with the time. As time increase, time is going on, there is a deposition of more soil layers over them. Okay, as there is a deposition of more soil layers, what will happen? They were compressed. वो compress होते गए. Layers deposit हुई तो वो compress होते गए. Then the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Temperature भी increase होता गया. Obviously, if they are just going deep into the soil, वो soil के अंदर जाते जा रहे हैं, then there will be the increase in temperature also. Temperature increase होता गया. So what will be there then? Under high pressure. जैसे वो soil के अंदर गए, under high pressure, high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. जो dead vegetation थी, dead plants थे, वो किस में convert होना start हुए? They got converted to the coal. Okay, and as we know, the coal mainly contains carbon. Coal में mostly क्या होता है? It contains mostly carbon. तो क्या हुआ? The slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. Obviously, if we will say कि fossil fuel है, coal is a fossil fuel, and as we know, the fossil fuels take many more years to form, and already we are describing here कि 300 million years ago. So it is a slow process. Okay, the formation of fossil fuel is a slow process. Slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. It is a very slow process. जिससे क्या convert हुआ? They convert into the coal, which is called as carbonization. That process is known as carbonization. Okay, so let us do one more time. Story of coal. What was there? About 300 million years ago, there was just huge forest, बहुत ज़्यादा forest. Okay, and because of the natural activities हुई, उनमें क्या क्या हो सकता है? Flooding was there, landslides were there, earthquake was there. It can be any activity. Okay, and because of these activities, what happened? जो huge forest थे, they just gone under the soil, got buried under the soil. Okay, और जैसे जैसे time, just as the time passed, then deposit of soil layers takes place over them. Deposition of soil layers takes place over them. Soil की layers deposit हुई, and what happened then? If they get compressed कैसे हुए? Because of the layers of soil deposition, they got compressed, and the temperature also rise as they sank deeper and deeper. जैसे ये soil के deep और deep में जाते गए, temperature भी rise होता गया. As the temperature rises, pressure rises. What happened? Then they got slowly converted to the coal. धीरे धीरे coal में convert हुए, और coal, as we know, it mainly contains carbon. So the slow process of conversion of coal into carbon, dead vegetation into coal. Okay, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal, that is known as carbonization. Carbonization name क्यों है? Because carbon mainly contains carbon. Okay, because coal mainly contains carbon, that is why it is known as carbonization. Okay, इससे कुछ fractions हैं किसके? coal के, like coke is there. Okay, coke is there, coal tar is there, coke, coal tar, which we will study next. Okay, so dear students, up to here we have done story of coal. Okay, in the next part we will discuss the coke, coal tar. Okay, if still you have any doubt, although it is there in your books also, okay, the question is also there, you will do from there only. Okay, so two terms are there. Which are these two terms? वो two terms कौन सी हैं? Very familiar you are with those terms. It is the first question also in the book. CNG and LPG. CNG is compressed natural gas. CNG is compressed natural gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. These two are there. Okay, LPG, CNG. As you know कि LPG we use as domestic purpose. LPG is used in your houses also for cooking food, for various activities on the gas burner. Okay, earlier wood was used, coal was used, but why we prefer to use LPG? LPG को हमने यूज करना प्रेफर क्यों किया? Because it does not release any smoke. It does not contain gases which is just harmful for the environment. Okay, it does not cause air pollution. Clear? CNG, which is used in the vehicles nowadays. CNG is used, why? Because CNG is just pollution free. It is environment friendly, does not cause any kind of pollution to the environment. That is why these two are being used at the place of wood. Okay, that is why these two we are used, because of their benefits. So dear students, in the next part we will discuss about the fractions of coal. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. If any doubt is there, you may ask in the comment section. Okay, so please watch it carefully. Clear? Thank you everyone.